Hello dear, my name is Sheikh Usman, UGC-HRDC-DR.BAMU University organized online refresher course in Environmental Studies and Sustainable Development. My roll number is 35 and I am presenting seminar on soil pollution, causes, effects and control. In this seminar, I will discuss these contents, that is, introduction, environmental pollution and types of pollution, introduction of soil, formation and composition, what is soil pollution, causes of soil pollution, effects of soil pollution, control of soil pollution, different methods to reduce soil pollution, and conclusion. What is pollution? Pollution is an undesirable change in the physical, chemical or biological characteristics of our air, land and water that will harmfully affect the human life and the desirable species, or that may waste or deteriorate our raw material resources. Pollution increases not only because the demand per person are continuously increasing, so that each throws away more year by year. The next, what is environmental pollution? It refers to contamination of Earth's environment with material that interfere with human health, the quality of life or the natural functioning of ecosystems, living organisms and their physical surroundings. Let us discuss different types of environmental pollution. Number 1, air pollution. Number 2, water pollution. Number 3, soil pollution. Number 4, solid waste. Number 5, hazardous waste. And number 6, noisy pollution. All of the above types of environmental pollution we will see here only soil pollution. Before discuss soil pollution, we will see what is soil. The science dealing with the study of soil is called pedology. The soil forms the intermediate zone between the atmosphere and the rock cover of the earth, the lithosphere. It also forms the interface between water bodies, hydrosphere and the lithosphere, and thus forming a part of biosphere. The soil may be defined as the uppermost weathered layer or the earth's crust, in which are mixed organisms and production of their death and decay. It may also be defined as the part of the earth crust in which plants are anchored. The soil formation occurs in 2 stages. Number 1, weathering or breakdown soil formation of rock, and second, pedogenesis, which involves changes in the weathered rock material. The weathering process occurs by the following methods. The first is chemical weathering. It occurs due to hydration, hydrolysis, carbonation, oxidation, reduction or chelation of the rock material. Number 2, physical weathering. Its main agents are rain and heat. It may occur by heating and cooling, wetting and drying, freezing solution formation, glaciation and sandblast. And the next is biological weathering. Various bacterial and fungal forms, more commonly the leeches, are able to cause weathering of rock due to their acidic action, thus forming the soil. The next part is composition of soil. The soil is complex organization being made up some 6 constituents, namely inorganic matter, organic matter, soil organism, soil moisture, soil solution and soil air. Now coming to our main topic, what is soil pollution? It is defined as the buildup in soil of persistent toxic compounds, chemicals, salts, radioactive material and disease-causing agents. It occurs due to rapid growth in industrial development, intensive agriculture and other anthropogenic activities. Soil pollution may change physical, chemical and biological nature of the soil and make it unfit for plant growth, animals and human use. These pollutants decrease soil quality, disturb the soil's natural balance. Now, the causes of soil pollution. The soil pollution is caused on account of the following waste. Number 1, industrial waste. Number 2, agricultural waste. Number 3, urban waste. Number 4, biological pathogens. Number 5, radioactive waste. Let us discuss first industrial waste. Several industries, particularly those are manufacturing paper, chemicals, rubber, petroleum products, cements, sugar, fertilizers, textile, pesticides, as well as tanneries and soil refineries through harmful waste causing soil pollution. Second, agricultural waste. The agricultural waste includes fertilizers, pesticides, farm waste and fumigants. The fertilizers contain plant nutrient, particularly N, P and K, but the soil also gets polluted. Mainly due to organic pollutants presents impurities besides different types of biocides such as DDT, aldrin, dieldrin, cordons, etc. Also cause soil pollution. The waste added due to domestic waste also pollutes the soil. The fecal matters of pigs rich in phosphates and those of other animals contain numerous pathogenic microorganisms. The third is urban waste. The urban waste includes sewage and solid waste discarded as refuse. This refuse includes several billion tons of rubbish material such as domestic waste, papers, plastic, metallic containers, waste cloths, shoes and reading materials, that is news, print, magazines, books, etc. While some of the waste are biodegradable and some are non-degradable. The fourth is biological pathogens. The soil contains numerous organizations such as algae, fungi, bacteria, virus, protozoans, nematodes, annelids, insects and rodents. These forms may be pathogenic or non-pathogenic. There are many pathogenic forms present in the human and animal excreta, which may cause soil-borne disease in plants and animals, including human beings. And the fifth is radioactive waste. These are produced because of radiation emitting form. Now we will discuss on effects of soil pollution on human health. The industrial pollutants increase the toxicity levels of the soil. About 500,000 people die in the world each year due to these effluents. Several heavy metals present in the effluents destroy useful microorganisms present in the soil. In 1970, some 200 people died in Japan by CD pollution and soil due to Ita disease. The soluble salt given out as a pollutant damage the cultivated forms. The soil pollution due to sewage has the same effect as brought about by sewage polluted water. Several diseases are inflicted in human beings due to pathogenic forms present in the soil water. The most common diseases are plague, filariasis, malaria, dysentery, amoebic and bacterial giardiasis. Typhus, gastroenteritis, enteric fever, tetanus, anthrax, Q-fever, etc. Similarly, the plants get many soil-borne diseases. The liberal use of fertilizers has significantly increased the nitrate level of the soil. It is likely to cause blue baby syndrome. The effect of pesticides, particularly the polychlorinated biophenyls, are very harmful. They cause nervous disorders, disease of lungs, and even cancers. Now we will discuss how to control of soil pollution. The soil pollution caused through different agencies can be reduced by various methods. The soil pollution due to sewage can be reduced by giving microbial or chemical treatment. During chemical treatment, methane gas is evolved, which is used in generating power. The sludge recovered after the separation of water is dried and used as manure. The land pollution caused due to the cattle fecal matters in our country is used to produce biogas or gobar gas. The gobar gas is mainly mixture of methane and CO2 used for cooking and illumination. The solid waste is collected and suitable recycled. Some of the waste is recycled in the biogas. The sewer gas is also a mixture of methane and CO2. The former separated and used for heating purposes. Proper efforts should also be made to reduce the toxicity level of soil. It is necessary to utilize more land for agricultural pastures and forests. Now, different ways to reduce soil pollution. Number 1. Get a better understanding of the soil environment quality baseline. Second, develop a necessary legislation on soil pollution control. Number 3, proper management of agricultural land and practice of organic farming. Number 4, proper solid waste treatment. Number 5, ensure proper investigation of reclaimed land. And number 6, strictly control the pollution of new soil. Number 7, strengthen policies that manage pollution sources. Number 8, transfer treatment and remediation cost pooling companies. Number 9, embark technologies, research and development. And last, number 10, promote objectives assessment among all stakeholders. And our last part is seminar conclusion. Soil pollution is an environmental issues that touches on all aspects of life. Soil pollution is causes by human activity which can be controlled. Consequences of soil pollution are similar to those of other forms of pollution because the nature of pollutants are chemical. This is my short topic of seminar which I have present before you, and I am thankful to Director, Coordinator and Assistant Director of UGC-HRDC Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University to given me an opportunity to present this seminar. Thank you very much.